Tuesday, June 27th. I'm Lita Gerritsen.
And I'm Dominic Peroni. You're watching the 7th edition of The Edge for the 2021 to 2022 school year. Today we check in on the house and construction trades, some class competitions, getting ready for EdTech's open house, and checking out Mr. Drake's Monday morning schemes.
The construction trades class is starting on a big project this week. They'll be starting the construction of a house. The Edge Sabbath of Months has more on the story.
It's official. Construction will start working on the house next week. That's right. The construction trades class will start on their part of the house that wasn't finished last year. So good news, staff. You may have your parking lot back by spring.
This year we're only going to take the house to a certain level. So we're going to frame it, we're going to roof it, put the windows in. Yeah, that's probably as far as we'll get. And we'll have it done in the spring, and it'll be shipped out of here by June.
Some of the students are very excited to start the house and get out of the classroom.
All year we've just been sitting in the class and working on paper stuff, and everyone's just excited to get outside and actually do what we're supposed to do.
And to answer the question the staff has about how Mr. Smith feels about taking up the space in the parking lot.
How do I feel about that? I'm so sorry.
We'll keep you updated on the progress of the house and how it is coming along. I'm Tabitha Muntz reporting for The Edge.
The MEP class created in-class competitions where students make helmets with their own personalized designs. The Edge's Lucas Gill has more on this competition.
When you think about construction workers, you think about the hard hats they wear. Well, these MEP students took their helmets to the next level. The class is having their own internal competition. The students have to design and create their own helmets out of sheet metal.
Their creativity, their enthusiasm in it, how they're figuring out how to make the metal do certain things, how they're taking the skills that they've learned before and applying them to something that's kind of interesting them.
You know, I basically just wanted it to be different than everyone else's, so I just kind of like mixed a bunch of different ideas together. So I'm gonna have it be like a samurai helmet / like, I don't even know, it has like spikes on the top of it.
We wish these helmet makers luck in their competition. Reporting for The Edge, I'm Lucas Gill.
Good luck to all the participants. We are excited to see all the designs and may the best helmet win.
It's a new and bright year for EdTech, and speaking of new, the EdTech staff is looking for new students to recruit. Lapeer EdTech is opening an open house on Tuesday, February 1st from 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. We want new students to experience the new ways of learning here at EdTech.
What happens is it's really an opportunity for students, parents, the community to come in and explore our building and explore their programs so they can go anywhere in EdTech. Check out classrooms, meet teachers, and just see what the program has to offer.
I think it's good for the community to be able to come on in and see what we do here. I think when they come in to see what we're all about, and they talk to the teachers and they talk to students and they see the kind of things that we do here, it piques their interest and they want to learn more.
Again, the open house is February 1st. From 5:30 p.m. until 7:30 p.m. This is for new students who are thinking about attending EdTech.
For the past 3 months, Mr. Drake has been dressing up and surprising students with something fun every Monday morning. The Edge's Attica Knuth has more on Mr. Drake's Monday Mayhem.
It's no secret that Mondays aren't the best day of the week, but luckily for the morning EdTech students, somebody's trying to make Mondays a little bit better.
Every Monday, Mr. Drake tries to make his students' mornings a little brighter by dressing up or doing a show.
I think the number one motive was to be able to change the attitudes as kids came in, because some of them looked depressed, some of them half asleep, some of them, could be dealing with troubles at home. And I brought it upon myself to, if I would be able to change just an attitude for a moment, maybe it'd change their day for the rest of the day. And then if that kept going on and happening every time that I've done it, maybe it'd change the way that they would change their life.
Mr. Drake's whole mission was to help the kids feel better or even change their day, but the best part for him was to see the smiles on everyone's faces.
See any deer yet? Come on, man. Nobody's seen any deer yet?
A very loud teacher. He's very enthusiastic and always trying to make everyone smile, even if you're having a bad day. You know, it's Monday. Nobody wants to come to school on a Monday, and he always makes it fun.
Mr. Drake still has some crazy stuff left in store, so keep looking forward to Mondays. I'm Ethan Knuth, reporting for The Edge.
We can't wait to see what Mr. Drake has planned for next Monday.
That's all today we have for The Edge.
Make sure to follow us on Facebook,
Instagram,
Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok. At The Edge LC.
Edge LC.
I'm Leah Gerritsen.
And I'm Dominic Peroni, signing off.
Woo.